Hi friends, Professor Joe here. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss all you need is just two indicators. Yes, just two indicators to be profitable in the markets. A small reminder, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. I keep creating educational content in trading, stocks, crypto, options, and related topics. Let's get back to a topic of the day. As I was telling you, to make profits in the markets, all you need is two indicators. One indicator that will help you show you the trend, and the second indicator just to enter the market in the direction of the trend. Yes, that's all you need. You really need not complicate your charts because the more indicators you put on your charts, it's going to complicate things. It will make it difficult for you to take decisions. For example, like you can see on the screen, this is trading view, and in trading view on the screen, what you can see is USD JPY. And you can see the screen very, very clearly. And in the screen, it is very, very clear that you entered right here on the top. You see the trend is showing red in color from here over here. The price at that point is 158.80. 158.80. But you entered when the indicator gave you a sell signal at 158.75, and the trade is still going. It's in sell still because your trend is still showing red color. Now, if you look at this, you see that, so you have taken a position here and currently the market is at this level over here. Although it went down till 141.71, but still if you see your risk to reward ratio right now is 1 is to 8.43. That is, you invested 1% and you're getting 8% profit. Now, what is this indicator? This indicator is a very, very simple indicator. I'll just first delete and I'll just show you how the setup is. So you go to indicators and you can see in my favorites, I've got very, very few indicators over here. The first indicator is dynamic support and resistance. I go and change the settings. Since it's a 2-hour chart, I will make this as 100. I'll make this as 99. So long-term EMA is 100. Dynamic support and resistance, first EMA is 99. And the second one, I will keep it as 25. And that's it. So your trend indicator is there in place. Whenever it becomes red, you enter and sell. And whenever it is green, you enter buy. Now, the second thing is, when do you enter? For that, you go for the second indicator, bottoms buy sell signal. There you go. You have to make no changes. So whenever the dynamic support and resistance or the trend indicator shows red, and the first arrow that comes in the downward direction, you enter over there and you wait till this red color disappears. That means till the dynamic support and resistance disappears from your screen. So all you have to do is put these two indicators. You can use it in any other time. You can use this in any other stocks, say like you want to check. So whenever you're trading it in stocks, go for a weekly chart. And whenever you're trading it on currency, go for a 1-hour chart or a 2-hour chart. Don't go for weekly charts in currency because currency, you will see the markets are going up and down very, very frequently. So in summary, friends, I hope this video has made it clear that when you want to do trading, two indicators are more than enough. You do not need to put a lot of indicators on your chart and complicate your charts. But managing risk is very, very important. If you're a new trader, only risk 0.5% of your equity in each trade. And once you become a professional trader, that is when you used one strategy minimum 100 times and you're satisfied with its result, and you're sure that out of 100 trades, 70 trades or 80 trades is going profitable, then your maximum risk can go up to 2%. And finally, friends, trading requires a lot of patience, persistence, and practice. Without that, you will never become a successful trader. Friends, I've written a book, Traders You Can Win, but First Learn to Lose. It's available in Amazon and Kindle. If you're interested, please buy it from there. Friends, if you like the way how I'm creating the videos, kindly like and share these videos So, like you, there might be many others who are interested in learning more about technical analysis, stock markets, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. They can really, really learn new things from these videos. And if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel so that every time I create a new video, you will be the first person to be notified about it. Friends, all I can say is keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better each day. Thank you. Namaskar.